Hey, what's up, guys? It's the first morning of the 2018 rifle season here in Vermont, and it's a wet one. It snowed last night, and all the snow is now dripping off the trees, and I'm already completely soaked, so. But hopefully it's going to be a good morning, but I didn't see any fresh tracks on the way in, but, you know, deer are going to be moving. It is the rut, so stay tuned. I'll see if I can get any footage for you. Okay, quick update. Well, not much to update. I haven't seen anything yet. As you can tell, I moved spots. It was miserable down in the cedars. I'm soaking wet from head to toe. My fingers are like raisins, so I moved out to the hardwoods thinking maybe the deer would be bedded down out here in the hardwoods where it's a little drier and quieter, so. But I'm completely soaked right now. But I mean, I guess you can't get a deer if you stay home, so stick out here for a little while, have some coffee now, and I'll let you know if I see anything. Right now it's 9 o'clock, so still plenty of time. Not a lot of shooting. I think I've heard 2 shots way off in the distance, nothing close, so some people out, some people lucky, but pretty miserable out here. Alright, back in the cedars on my way out now, and no fresh deer sign, and it's really snowing out now, and the wind has picked up, and snow's coming out of the trees, and I just don't think the deer are moving today, so, but I'm moving through here nice and slow, trying to see if I can catch anything bedded down, but I don't know, it's not looking good, but stay tuned. Alright guys, I shot a deer last night, and we started tracking it, and started to lose a little bit of blood, so I backed out last night. I'm back this morning, so I shot the deer straight on when it came in. It kind of picked me up a little bit, and it was about 45 yards, so I shot him right through the chest. And we found a couple spots where he stopped and bled pretty good. It looked like lung blood, but I'm gonna keep looking here now and see if we can find him. Alright, here's one of the places he stopped the first time. There's good blood there, but went right down through this way, so keep looking here. There's more blood here. Alright guys, here's an update. This is the last spot of blood that I have found. I've been searching all around. I've gone way down in there and all around, making big loops around, looking for blood, looking for the deer, and no luck. So I think I am going to give a call to a guy that has some tracking dogs that lives probably about a half hour from me. See if he's got some time today to come up and try to help me out. So stay tuned.